Hello friends, I am Amdi Abu Talib Mozumdar. Now I am talking about principle of management, 10 principle of management. First of all, I am talking about the risks. We will not take on additional risks unless expect or compensate with additional reward to return. Investor expect to be compensator for delaying consumption and talking on risks. Those invest expect a return when they put their savings in bank. Return to bank savings account talking on risks. Now I'm talking about second principle of management, time value of money. A dollar received today is more available than dollar received on year from now. We can invest the dollar we have today to invest so that we will have more than $1 at the end of on the year. Opportunity cost the best alternative you have to give to while you make the.
I'm Mohammad Ariful Islam. Now I'm talking about the 10 principle of financial management, and I'm discuss about the principle of cash. Cash that can actually be taken out of the business over the same interval. Accounting profits are equal to cash flow. It is possible for a firm to generate accounting profit but not have, or to generate cash flow but not report accounting profit in the books. Another management principle is increment cash flow. When making a financial decision, we should look at increment cash flow, the difference between the projected cash flow if the project is chosen and what they will be if the project is selected. Cash flow and not profit drive the value of the business.
Hello guys, I am Amdi Nafiz Ahmed. I am talking about 10 principle of financial management. Now I am discuss about the agency problem. The separation of management and the ownership of the firm creates an agency problem. Managers may make decisions that are not consistent with the goal of maximizing shareholder wealth. My second principle is efficient capital markets. In an efficient market, the price of all traded assets, such as stocks and bonds, at any instant in time fully reflect all available information. Those stock prices are a useful indicator of the value of the firm. Prices changes reflect changes in expected future cash flow. Good decisions will tend to increase.
Hello friends, I am M.K. Tarek and I am talking about 10 principle of financial management. Now I am discuss about the cost of competitive markets. In competitive markets, extremely large profits simply cannot exist for very long. Given that somewhat bleak scenario, how can we find good projects? That is, projects that return more than their expected rate of return given the risk level. For example, many people are willing to pay a premium for Starbucks coffee. The simply one Starbucks and price is not important. In the pharmaceutical industry, patents create competitive barriers. And next topic is taxes bias business decisions. Hardly any decision is made by the financial manager without considering the impact of taxes. Specifically, the cash flows we consider are the after tax incremental cash flows to the firm as a whole. For example, when the company is analyzing possible acquisition of a plant or equipment, the returns from the investment should be measured on an after tax basis. Otherwise, the company is not evaluating the true incremental cash flows generated by the project. Thank you very much.